Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to Chef Vic Cuisine. Today we are making orange chicken. Now we're talking about authentic orange chicken made right at home. There's no need for any more takeout with this easy to make recipe. So let's get started. All right, let's dive right into this recipe. So for the star of our orange chicken dish, we're of course gonna need 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. We're going to season them with a thin layer of salt and black pepper on both sides, pressing the seasoning into the meat. And then you wanna dice the chicken into small bite-sized pieces. And now we're gonna set these aside as we prepare the orange sauce. So in a medium-sized pot, we're going to mix together 1 cup's worth of orange juice with half a cup's worth of granulated white sugar, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Whisking those until they're well combined. To boost that flavor, we're going to also add in a 1/4 teaspoon's worth of ginger powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, whisking those into the orange sauce as well. And to boost that orange flavor, you can optionally add in the zest of about half an orange, mixing that in. Separately in a small bowl, you want to mix together 1 tablespoon's worth of cornstarch with 2 tablespoons of water, creating a cornstarch paste. You want to add this to the orange sauce and mix this until it's slightly thickened over medium heat or 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. You want to continue mixing this for about 3 minutes until your sauce is thickened, which at that point you want to remove from the heat and set it aside. Now on to preparing our chicken. In large shallow bowls, we want to first crack 3 eggs into 1 bowl and whisk those together. And in a separate bowl, we want to mix together half a cup's worth of all-purpose flour with half a cup's worth of cornstarch, as well as a pinch of salt. Now you want to dip the chicken pieces first into the egg bowl and then transfer them to the flour mix. Place all your coated pieces of chicken onto a serving plate while you coat the rest of the chicken. And while you're preparing the chicken, you want to preheat a deep fryer to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 176 degrees Celsius. You want to fry the chicken pieces in batches of about 10 to 12 pieces for about 3 minutes or until they become light golden brown. Once they've been fried, you want to place the chicken onto a paper towel lined plate to absorb any excess oil. You just want to repeat this process for all the remaining chicken. You want to toss the chicken in your orange sauce in about 3 portions just to ensure that each piece gets an even coating. Once all the chicken is coated, I like serving this on a bed of rice with some finely chopped green onions, as well as some sesame seeds for an additional garnishment. And just like that, you've made orange chicken right at home. Tossing the chicken in the sauce in different portions is crucial in my opinion to get an even coating. Otherwise, working as a bunch, some chicken may not get coated, so don't skip that step. But when you do try this at home, be sure to tag me at Chef Vic Cuisine or hashtag Chef Vic Cuisine so I can see your great takes on this dish. As always, this recipe and many more can be found in my cookbook, Chef Vic Cuisine Volume 3, Upgrading Your Inner Chef. And that's available on Amazon, and I'll be sure to leave a link to that in my description box. And feel free to click the pop-up on your screen for more information on that as well. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make orange chicken at home. And if you did, make sure you smash the like button for me. It's one of the best ways to show support for the channel. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that subscribe button too. And feel free to share this recipe with all your family and friends. And stay tuned for next week where I show you to make an amazing side dish that's really easy to make, my jalapeno poppers. Well, thanks again for watching. I really do appreciate it. You can always check out more videos on my page now. YouTube thinks you'll like these videos, so let's see if they're right. And I'll catch you next time on another episode of Chef Vic Cuisine. And until then, peace.